We fought for our sovereignty against foreign invaders. But sovereignty is not lost only to those who come from foreign shores. Nawawala rin ito sa tuwing ang serbisyo publiko ay nagiging pribadong negosyo. Kung ang mga opisyal ng gobyerno ay mala sindikato sa pagnanakaw ng pera ng bayan. Every peso stolen from the people's treasury steals a child's freedom from hunger. It steals a student's freedom from illiteracy or substandard education. It steals a patient's freedom to obtain quality healthcare. It steals a worker's freedom to earn a decent living. Every ghost project is a classroom never built. Every corrupt contract is a road that was never built for farmers to bring their produce to the market. Ang korupsyon ay hindi lamang pagnanakaw ng pera. It steals opportunity, it steals dignity, and it steals hope. And ultimately, it steals freedom itself. Rizal, Bonifacio, Luna, and thousands of other Filipino heroes fought so that every Filipino could live with justice, dignity, opportunity, and hope. Mga kababayan, freedom is never permanent unless it is defended. Sovereignty survives only when a people refuse to surrender it. Hope survives when citizens refuse to accept bad governance as their destiny.